Let's all be healthy, let's all be new. Let's all survive, together we can get through. Oh, we rise, we heal, we grow.
Craving chocolate cake without the crash? Let's make a clean protein dessert you can whip up in under a minute and feel good about. In a mug, mix 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg or flax egg for my vegans, 2 tablespoons of milk or almond milk, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, that's optional, a dash of vanilla plus a pinch of salt. Microwave for 45 to 60 seconds or put it in the oven at 350 degrees and you've got cake. This mug cake gives you 15 grams of protein. No refined sugar and 0 guilt. Clean protein, no processed sugar. Fast fuel, no crash. You can use Balanced Life Champion Blend. Third-party tested, naturally flavored, and made for moments like this. www.balancedlifesups.com. This video is for educational purposes only and does not diagnose or treat any condition. Balanced Life supplements are not evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement.
Balanced life, it may